Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another exciting video for our Go High Level tutorials. Today, we're going to be going over our email services and how to set up a professional email. So if you haven't done that before, it can be a little tricky. So I like to make this video and kind of walk you through step by step. So when you go back, so we go into your Go High Level account here, you can go into your settings and then your email services. Now, you're going to need two things. One, you're going to need your domain name, and then you're going to need to have your professional service right here. So make sure you have a domain. So then for this example here, we're going to do the hundohustle.xyz, and I just got this off of Namecheap. And so I kind of set this up earlier, and I wanted to go back into it, but um, I'm making this tutorial for you. So when you get it, you are going to click this dedicated domain and IP button. And that's when you would hit add domain, and you're going to type in your domain here. Now, I already did that, so unfortunately I can't show you, but like I said, it'd be lc.hundohustle.xyz. That's going to be what I'm doing. And then you're going to hit verify. But you didn't set it up yet, so you don't need to do that yet. So let's go to your Namecheap, go to your advanced DNS settings, right? And you're going to need to add a few things here. So, what are we going to need to add? Well, these are all the values we're going to need to copy over and everything. So, you can do it automatically or you can do auto. For this purpose, I'm going to do it automatically or I'm going to do it manually to show you. And so what you're going to need is everything before your domain. So right here, it gives us all the different values we're going to need here. So starting with the CNAME, we're going to do email.lc, copy that over. So we're going to add new record. We're going to do CNAME, email.lc, copy that, and paste it over here. And you see, like I said, you probably don't want to do that. Make sure you're logged in. I was doing this earlier, and I guess I stalled too long. Now it's working. See? All right. Let's add another one. This one's going to be the text record. We'll just start all over again, going down the list here. Save changes. There we go. We're going to do another text. This one's LC. Text. Post. I'm going to get the value for that one. Do that. Okay, we've got a third text. I'm going down here. Yep. There's another text here. Add new record. Text. Just copy and paste these things, just make sure you get the right values. Again, the way I have it showing up is it doesn't show, but you need everything before the domain. So this would be like this.lc.hundohustle.xyz. But usually it puts it on there. I'm on a different screen. Like when you auto configure it, it'll pull it up. So, anyways, we're going to go down here now. So email forwarding, and it's gonna have these different things. Am I in the right section? Yeah. So text name. Okay. So now you want to go down to the custom MX record, and you're gonna add some. Why is it only giving me one? But whatever. Okay. So for your MX, here's the first one here. Same thing. We're gonna copy and paste the values. I'll leave that automatic. Save all changes. Priority. Where's priority at? Oh, 10. Gonna have to plug that in there. That saves there, and let's get this other one. It's the same thing. Mail gone. Oh, it does MXB. Alright, so add new record, MX, LC. Here's the MXB. Again, value's 10. Check that. Alright, save it. So you should have 5 total here, right? So you've got your CNAME, your 3 different tax records, and the MX records. See? CNAME, 2 MX, 1, 2, 3 texts, right? And so I'll do the auto configure just so you see it. And sometimes it'll set it up for us here. I like to do it this way just so it kind of does it automatically, but sometimes it doesn't. And like I said, that's why I just showed you the manual way of doing it. and just making sure that everything's there. So see, like I said here, it gives you all the values before. You copy that, and then you're going to bring it over and paste it in there. And you get the value, and you bring it over, and you paste it in there. Make sure you saved everything. Hit the little green check mark, or down the bottom that says save all actions, or whatever it said, something like that. So verify the records, and it's usually pretty quick. It might take a minute, but for the most part, it's pretty quick. So we'll just let it see what happens here. Like I said, it says it could take up to 30 seconds, but sometimes you just gotta redo it. But like I said, for the most part, it is rather quick. There was a problem with that action. DNS may take 6 seconds to propagate, right? So make sure I did everything here. Check, check, check. There's no check. Yeah. Everything is here. Looks good. We'll just try to verify it again. Like I said, sometimes you gotta do it a couple times, but it's all good. It's all good. Just keep trying, because it might just take a minute or two. Maybe you want to go get some coffee, come back, do what you gotta do. All right. And again, see, not verified. Some things work, some things don't. It might just take a minute, so let's just go back here and we'll try and verify it again. There we go. See, everything's verified. So it might just take a minute. Verify your domain. Just make sure everything's good. And then now we've got our SSL issued. So sometimes you just gotta wait and try it again. But all right, let's test it. Let's see. Let's send ourselves an email. So we're gonna go back and go down to. Oh, here we go. Right, I'm gonna send myself an email. A little test email I got. So you have your from name. You can change your email. I'm gonna change it to yeah, contact. What was it? No, I cannot spell. We'll do Jacob Endo Soul dot XYZ. Just say, hey, we're gonna test this out. Hey, man. And so we'll send it. Let's make sure everything works. So it shows that it worked here, right? So let's go into our email and see if I got it. We'll first that here. Might take another minute. Sometimes it's not working. Let's see. Conversation Jacob also. Did I do the right email? Yes, I'm on that email. What am I missing here? Email services. Oh, you know why? Because I didn't switch it over. Duh. Now we gotta do it. Okay. Now we can try. Don't mess up like I did. Alright. Contacts. Now we'll try this again. Check out window. It's XYZ. Hey. Okay, so sorry about that, but so it looks like it just took a couple of minutes because now, like I said, going in to verify that we did it. Here's my email I got here. Jacob at HanoHousehold.xyz. Hello. And I can easily reply to that. Say, hey, what's up? Right? Hopefully this doesn't take too long and mess up again because I'm trying to make a video for you guys, but hey, technology, right? And it might take a minute to, I'm gonna have to exit out of this. Let's come back to it and see. Well, let's refresh it. Let's just see what happens. I hope I don't have any more technical issues doing video for you guys. But let's see. Go back to contacts and go to the conversation. Look, see, got a reply. Hey there, what's up? And that's pretty much it for you guys. So, I mean, like I said, things can be finicky, and you might just want to play around with it a little bit. And that's as easy as it is to set up your professional email. So maybe you need to watch this a couple times, and maybe you'll get lucky and won't have as much issues as